So in today's video, we're going to review both Alkaline's Pretty Girl Team video that he just dropped on his Vivo, and also Movado's Mama video that he just dropped on his Vivo also. So here's a clip of Mama from Movado. I actually really like Movado's video. I like how when he went to Gambia, he used that time wisely and actually produced a good, clean, quality video, and actually showed real Gambian people dancing, having fun, and people running him down and showing him performing in Gambia. Because as you can see, the people in Gambia love Jamaican people, love reggae and dancehall music. So they get enough forward and enough big up a Gambia. And I also like that he didn't show like Pitney the Starve and them hungry and any of that in his video, because normally people associate Africa or African people with that type of lifestyle or that image in media. Something like how he captured a different aspect as far as Gambian people and Gambian culture is concerned. The video quality clear, everything up, big up to Movado himself, him doing thing. So here's a clip of Alkaline's Pretty Girl Team video here on YouTube. So Alkaline's storyline for this particular video is pretty girl team playing soccer, going against each other. And as you can see, Fat Boy made an appearance in the Pretty Girls Team video. And honestly, Pretty Girl Team is one of my favorite songs from Alkaline personally. So I love the video. I love how there was not a bugger man in the video, and having whole entourage in the video. And I like the theme. I like the scenes with the female. The females are well represented. Okay, you have a natural kinky curly hair, and you have your 3C 4B hair girls. You have your girl with your weave in there. You have a light skin girl, brown skin girl, dark skin girls. Everybody is well represented in his video. So I like that about the video. And I like that he didn't do too much with this video. The video was clean, concise, to the point, and I love that. And personally for me, I feel like my Jamaican artists and entertainers need to start sending out more quality videos when they send out really good songs, and stop waiting 6 months, 3 months, 4 months to send out these videos. Because after the song goes a certain amount of time on the airwaves or in media, then after a while people don't want to see the video, they just want to hear the song. But honestly, I love the video for Pretty Girl Team. I love the video for Mama, and I love everything that Movado is trying to bring across in Mama. And I also love Alkaline's video also. Alkaline video very fun, energetic, it's different, and it's clean quality video. The only thing me have to say about the two video them is these artists need to start putting out quality videos with their songs more often. Like as soon as you drop a song and you realize you want to hit, drop a video for it in the next month or 2 months or something, and don't wait a very long time to drop these videos, because after a while people don't really want to see the videos anymore. But big up to Movado, big up to Alkaline. They're doing their thing and can't give them nothing but props for that. So that's my review on both videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces.